Let us start a new topic of solid state packing of particle in crystal lattice. These packing are considering spheres or hard spheres or constituent atoms, it is a hard spheres. The packing is well studied in three ways: one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. For the study packing of the crystal or packing efficiency or packing of atoms, first take one example. We have to pack a one box. We have to pack a one box in which spheres are arranged. In which spheres are arranged. When spheres are arranged in a row, spheres are arranged in a only one row, it is known as a one dimensional. When these spheres form a one layer, it is known as a two dimensional. And when the spheres are arranged, one layer is complete, second layer is complete, third layer, fourth layer, and so on. It is known as a three dimensional packing. First, in a one dimensional, only one row. In second dimensional, one layer is complete, and in third dimensional, more layers are complete. In second or two-dimensional packing, there is a two possibilities. These possibilities is based upon how spheres are packed. When one row is exactly same as a second row, means one row aligned vertically and horizontally same as the other rows, it forms square closed packing. It is known as a square closed because after packing it forms a square. Next one, hexagonal close packing. The hexagonal close packing, it is formed by arranging a one row and second row in a depressions of the first row. It is a hexagonal close packing because it forms a hexagonal ring. Third one, in a three-dimensional arrangement, one layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and there are three possibilities. If the first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer all are same, it form a square close packing. Means one layer is exactly same as second, which is exactly same as a third. It is forming square close packing. Next one, stacking of two hexagonal packed. Means one layer is complete, and next second layer is placed in the depression of first layer. It is known as a stacking of two hexagonal close pack. And third, most important, placing the third close pack arrangement. Means by placing the third layer means, again consider, in a stacking of square close pack, all layers are same. In this case, the two layers are different, and in third step, the third layer is put. First layer, second layer are placed in a depression of the first layer. Third layer is placed same as first. It is known as a ABAB type. And if another possibility, first layer, second layer are placed in the depressions, and third layer is placed again depressions of first layer, but it is a not same as a first layer. Observe carefully. Placing third hexagonal close pack structure, in first case, first layer, second layer are different, and in second case, first layer, second layer, and third layer is also different. Means it is a two layer and it is a three layers. Hence it is known as ABAB and it is known as a ABC packing. The examples of hexagonal close packing is magnesium and zinc, and the example of CCP, cubic close packing, is silver or copper. Next point, what is meant by coordination number? Let us take some examples. Coordination number. A coordination number is the number. Where a neighboring sphere touches to a given sphere. It is known as a coordination number. Means in case of one dimensional, the coordination number of sphere is only 2. In coordination number of sphere close packing, the coordination number of any given sphere is 4. In hexagonal close packing, the coordination number of given sphere is 6. Observe carefully. Now, take example sphere close packing. Sphere close packing. Sphere close packing is this diagram. In this case, the given sphere, it has 4 atoms present within the same layer. Means for a given sphere, the 4 spheres are attached or adjacent to this sphere. But one layer, above layer, one sphere is attached and below layer another sphere is attached. Means total coordination number in a sphere close packing, it is a 6. Next example, in case of body center cubic or BCC unit cell. In a BCC unit cell, one atom or constituent particle is present in a body of the cell and 8 atoms are present at the corner of the cube. Means 8 spheres are attached to a or adjacent to a given sphere. Hence, body center cubic unit cell shows coordination number 8. Third one, FCC face center cubic close packing and hexagonal close packing in 3 dimensional. It has a coordination number 12. Because in a one layer, for a given sphere, 6 spheres are attached, and in second layer 3 spheres, and in below layer again 3 spheres. Hence total coordination number in face center cubic, it is a 12. Next point, points. While packing, the empty spaces or a spaces between these spheres, it is known as a voids. The empty spaces in a packing or crystalline solid, it is known as a voids. It has a 2 types, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. The tetrahedral voids, it is formed by 4 spheres are come in contact and form a triangular spaces. It is known as a tetrahedral voids. When 6 spheres are come contact and form a one void or empty spaces, it is known as a octahedral voids. Octahedral voids, it is larger than a tetrahedral voids. One example, if 100 particles or 100 spheres or 100 atoms present in a packing, then number of octahedral voids are formed as 100 and tetrahedral voids are 200. In other words, we can say that if n is the number of atoms in a cubic close packing, the n is the number of octahedral voids and 2n is the number of tetrahedral voids. Next point, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency measure how spheres are arranged packed. Packing efficiency measure how spheres are arranged packed. It is given by the formula volume occupied by particle in a unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. It is calculating by various expressions, but the summary is that in a sphere close packing, the packing efficiency is 52.36. In a body center cubic, it is 68%, and in face center, it is 74%. In a entrance exam, we have to ask the empty spaces. The empty spaces, it is calculating by subtracting these values from 100. Means in a sphere close packing, the empty space is 47.64. In a body center cubic, the empty space is 32. And in face center cubic, the empty space is 26%. Next point, how number of particles present in a x gram of metal is calculated. It is given by a formula, number of particles in a x gram of metallic crystals. It is given by formula xn rho into a cube, where x is the amount of metal, n is the number of particles in a particular unit cell, rho is the density of unit cell, and a is the edge length. The number of unit cells also calculated by another formula, x upon rho into a cube. This is all about the packing of the crystalline compound.